Though we tremble before uncertain futures, may we meet illness, death, and adversity with strength. May we dance in the face of our fears. Glorian Zaldua. We delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but rarely admit the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty. Maya Angelou. Sometimes a breakdown can be the beginning of a kind of breakthrough, a way of living in advance through a trauma that prepares you for a future of radical transformation. Cherry Moraga. Pain doesn't tell you when you ought to stop. Pain is the little voice in your head that tries to hold you back, because it knows if you continue, you will change. Kobe Bryant. What I try to tell young people is that if you come together with a mission, and it's grounded with love and a sense of community, you can make the impossible possible. John Lewis. Those who are not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. Muhammad Ali. An hour of hard practice is worth 5 hours of foot dragging. Pancho Segura. Once you know what failure feels like, determination chases success. Kobe Bryant. Magic lies in challenging what seems impossible. Carol Moseley. Braun, I am lucky that whatever fear I have inside me, my desire to win is always stronger. Serena Williams. Everything will change. The only question is growing up or decaying. Nikki Giovanni. Everything negative, pressure, challenges, is all an opportunity for me to rise. Kobe Bryant. There is never time in the future in which we will work out our salvation. The challenge is in the moment. The time is always now. James Baldwin. Sometimes you need to get knocked down to understand what you fight is. Chadwick Boseman. Stay far from timid. Only make moves when your heart's in it, and live the phrase, sky's the limit. Biggie Smalls. Technique and ability alone do not get you to the top. It is the willpower that is the most important. This willpower you cannot buy with money or be given. It rises from your heart. Junko Tabei. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Malcolm X. We are responsible for our own ignorance, or with time and open-hearted enlightenment, our own wisdom. Isabel Wilkerson.